So there are two primary ways how to schedule a consultation with myself at the Sharma clinic. So the first option being in-person consultations with myself and my team at the Sharma clinic, which is located here in Edmonton. And secondly, virtual consultations. These take place remotely over video conference calling and allow us to connect and discuss your hair restoration needs. With video consultations, we ask you send us high-definition photos of your hair to assess your hair loss. These should be taken from multiple angles prior to your consultation to ensure an accurate assessment of your case. So some of the factors we are going to discuss during your consultation include your hair loss history. Secondly, confirming if you are an actual candidate for the hair restoration surgery. Thirdly, graft harvesting techniques. These vary from person to person, case to case, and these need to be assessed on an individual basis. Medications, very, very important. Which medications are you taking? Are you taking medications for any other medical problems? These may interact with your condition. And also, we may need to talk about stabilizing hair loss after surgery or prior to surgery, depends from person to person. After the consultation, we're going to come up with a personalized hair restoration plan for you. And finally, of course, which is probably very important to many people, pricing, which will include a written quote for your procedure so you know exactly what you're getting into. We do charge a small fee for my time in assessing your hair loss and providing you with a restoration plan. If you do proceed to go ahead with surgery, this is then deducted back to you. So do take the time to read through our website to see our past results, patient reviews, and get an actual idea of what is involved with the restoration process. Once you are ready, I invite you to book a consultation with myself and my team. Thank you for your time.